So guys, now we are here at Zurich, and from the Zurich station we just checked in our hotel. Now we are going to Rhine Falls. So let's go guys. I'll show you near the Rhine Falls.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, हम लोग ज्यूरिक आए। ज्यूरिक से हमने ट्रेन ली और अभी हम राइन फॉल्स पे आए हैं और लिफ्ट आ चुकी है। लेट्स गो टू राइन फॉल्स।
Guys, this is such a good view. Look, over there is gonna be better. So guys, this is the Rhine Falls, I guess. So guys, we are here at the Rhine Falls, and we are taking a tiny break. So guys, now we are on a boat trip to go near the Rhine Falls. First we are gonna get a ferry to the other side, and then from there we are gonna go in the boat. Guys, that is the Rhine Falls. We are in the ferry ride. We are gonna go to that side over there, and then from there we are gonna get the proper boat. We're going near the Rhine Falls. The water, the horn, which I can't press, it's over there. The pilot, we are in the front, and the Rhine Falls over there, which I can't see because of the people. Guys, the boat is moving now. Now we are going near the Rhine Falls. Guys, the boat is starting to speed up near the Rhine Falls. We are going near the Rhine Falls. Now I'm feeling somewhat mist of the Rhine Falls. I can feel somewhat like water of the Rhine Falls. Look at the waves, they're going crazy, the waves. It's too far from my hand. Oh, it's really cold. Oh, it's really, really cold. And we are about to get, it was about to. Now we are going inside the mist, like we are gonna feel some good mist. Oh my god, we are going closer than expected. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I feel some mist. Oh, we are inside the mist. Oh. This is nice. Yeah, we are having so fun. Now we are going far, like so that we don't get properly wet. We don't want to do that. Of course we don't. We would never want to. But that was so near. If we went a little more closer, we would feel so much mist. Not only mist, we might even get wet. It was fun. Guys, we are going closer and closer and closer and closer and closer and closer and closer to the waterfall. Ooh, I feel some mist. I feel some mist. I feel some mist. I feel some mist. So close to the rainfalls. The rainfalls are just there. We are right here. It's actually really close. In the camera it looks far, but then we are actually super close. Super duper close. It's right behind me. So that's good. Oh, some splashes. Splash, splash, splash. Oh, look at that waterfall. Look at that water being all white. From this color to all that color. Because it's going super fast. Oh, we are going closer and closer and closer and closer and closer and closer and closer to the waterfall. This is the pond and this is the waterfall. Yes, we're going to the waterfall. We are going in this white mist. That was so fun. It's getting misty and misty and misty. Wow! Wow! Very beautiful! Oh, we're getting wet. There's so much mist out here. That's because I had oh, there's so much mist. Oh, the camera is all wet. Oh, the camera is all wet. Oh, the camera was so wet. Oh my god. Oh my days. That was such a good experience. Oh. Yeah, that's